Welcome to the deep dive. So this week, we're digging into something that, it probably landed in your inbox recently.
Oh, definitely.
This email promising a complete gourmet Thanksgiving turkey dinner from Costco for free.
And not just any dinner. We're talking a 28-pound feast. Serves 8.
The timing was perfect. It had the Costco logo. It looked, completely legitimate. So how do we know it's a total fraud?
Well, that's the whole mission here, right?
Yeah.
We have to unpack this because it is one of the most clever scam campaigns we've seen in a while.
Clever how?
It works because it's built on a foundation of truth. It leverages a real, very desirable product.
And that's the genius of it. The lie is built on something you can actually verify. Costco does sell a real gourmet Thanksgiving dinner.
They do, yeah. They partner with a company called Phishing Gourmet.
Right. And that 28-pound meal, it ships frozen, costs about $200. People buy it every year.
And that reality is what makes the fake offer so believable. The lure is these emails saying, complete a quick survey to claim your free feast. They nail the branding.
Okay, so if it looks that good, there has to be a tell. What's the flaw that just gives the whole thing away?
There are 2 big ones. First off, the timing.
The timing.
Yeah, the actual gourmet meal from Costco.
Yeah.
It sold out weeks ago on their official site. So getting a free offer after it's already gone is your first clue.
Ah, that makes sense.
But the absolute critical flaw, the real aha moment, is the sender's email address.
This is where you always have to look.
Always. These emails are coming from random Gmail accounts. They're not coming from a verified Costco.com domain.
But they sometimes have those tiny typos too, right? Like Costco with a lowercase c or something.
Exactly. They're designed to trick your eye. And Costco has officially stated they never use Gmail for promotions. That is the dead giveaway.
So let's trace the click. Say you fall for it. You click the survey link. Where does it take you?
It redirects you to a page that's designed to harvest your payment info.
How do they do that?
It's all under the guise of paying a tiny shipping fee.
Just $5 I saw.
Exactly. Just $5. That $5 is the new Trojan horse.
And the real danger, the reason this whole thing works, is what's buried in the terms and conditions nobody reads.
Right. By entering your card details for that $5, you are actually being enrolled in hidden monthly subscriptions.
For what?
For like obscure wellness portals or trial offers. And the charges range from $50 all the way up to $150.
And they just hit your card again and again.
Repeatedly. Until you notice.
So just to be clear for you listening, that $5 click could turn into an $1,800 a year loss. They're not stealing a turkey, they're putting you on autopay for a ghost membership.
And this is widespread. The FTC has hundreds of reports on this. Costco even lists this exact scam on their official warnings page.
So if you entered your payment details, what is the immediate next step?
Immediate action. Contact your bank right now.
Don't wait.
Do not wait. Request chargebacks for any of those subscription fees. And honestly, you should probably just cancel the card itself to be safe. And then report it to the FTC.
So the core lesson is that $5 shipping fee is basically a doorway for them to steal hundreds from you every month.
Absolutely. They weaponized a trusted brand and a real product just to get access to your account.
Which really makes you think.
It does. Given how easily scammers used a desirable $200 item like this dinner, you have to ask yourself, what other everyday brands are they going to leverage next to drain your account with these unseen monthly charges? Something to keep a close eye on.